got paid today. Gas up in my tank. Trust me when I say nothing's in my way.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Dee and Trill. I'm Trill, and today I'm here with another hair tutorial, but this time it's also a hair review, so if you're interested, stay tuned. The wig I'll be reviewing today is from VIP Hair, and it's their 14-inch bob in a natural color. As you can see, it's packaged really well. It also came with that stocking cap that you seen earlier, which is a plus. This is how it looked after I washed it and all, and I plugged it, bleached it. So yeah, you can see right here that I plugged it because the hairline was really wiggy at first, so you're definitely going to need to plug your frontals. Okay, so here you can see that I already have my stocking cap on. I already put the foundation on and everything, so I'm ready to go. And here I'm just showing you the inside of the wig. The wig actually comes with 4 combs on the inside, plus the adjustable strap. Right here you can see I'm just adjusting and putting my wig where I'm going to be going it down at. And I will be using gossipy glue to glue down my wig, of course. So I'm just going to clamp the hair back, make sure I don't get any of that glue in the hair because it will mess it up. And I'm just going to use the back of my edge toothbrush to lay down the glue. Just to make the glue a little more tacky, that way the wig will stick better. Now I'm just scooting the wig up and putting it right over that glue. And I know some people may say, oh, you're not doing it right, or I don't like the way you do it. Your method sucks. Well, like you said, this is my method, so this is how I'm going to do it. And this is what works for me. And right here, I'm just using the end of a rattle comb to kind of press down the lace into the glue more. But I'm just going to try to make sure that I don't have any of the hair laying down in the glue, because that would just, it will glue the hair into place and you don't want it like that. With you by my side, I can stand it all back I just separated the baby hair, and I will be using Eco Style Gel to lay the edges. After getting it how I want it, I'm just gonna dry it a little bit. I'm gonna put a scarf on. I actually did put a scarf on, but I lost the clip, so. Okay, so I actually decided to wear this wig for an entire week. Actually a little over a week. Just to get like a feel of the wig and see how I feel about it before I did a review. And then just see how long the hair will like last up. Even though a week isn't enough time to tell if hair is good or bad, but it gives you more time than it would just reviewing on the first day that you open the packet. But anyways, this wig is from VIP Beauty Hair. And this wig, it was a 14-inch bob. I didn't cut it. This is exactly how it came. It didn't come with these curls. I actually curled it. But you seen the clip before or after. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put the clip yet. But you seen like it was supposed to still a straight wig. But you know when you wash straight hair, it's not as straight. It's not bone straight once you wash it. But yeah, it's a straight wig. Overall, I would say that this is actually a good wig. And it's really affordable. It's a nice wig. I haven't experienced any shedding really, and the reason it's kind of hard for me to run my fingers through is because when I curled it, I put Got to Be Glued, like the, what's it called, the little spray, the yellow spray. Yeah, I use this Got to Be Glued freeze spray, so that's why it's a little, can't really do much right now even though my curls falling. I'm horrible at curling hair, but from what I experienced so far, it really holds a curl really well. And this wig is so cute. And it's like, it's really cute for the summer. Very mature wig. It's really cute. It looks good as a side part too, but I'm not about to try it because I already have like my hair pinned down on the side. So I'm not about to mess up my hair. But it's cute as a side part. It's cute as middle part. You know, half up, half down. It's not a full lace wig. The frontal stops, I believe, right here. So it's not a full lace wig, but you can still do different stuff with it. So it's really nice. And it didn't come plucked like this. I actually plucked it myself. The hairline was kind of thick when I first got it, so you will have to customize it. But it's not a bad wig at all. It's really cute. Anywhere I go with this wig on, I get tons of compliments. Like, everyone loves this wig, including me. If you're scared about trying a wig, oh, and I usually just make my own wigs. This is actually my first wig that I've owned without me making it myself, and it's way more convenient. I prefer wigs over me. I prefer already ready wigs over me having to make my wig myself. It's way more stretchier than the wigs that I make. So yeah, it's a really good wig. I worked out on this wig. It was perfect. So yeah, I really love it. I really haven't tried wearing it straight though yet, so I don't know. I'll probably try to I'll make another video with this wig on, and you'll see it. So yeah. Okay, so that's actually it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I hope it was helpful to at least one person. If you really liked the video, don't forget to like it, of course, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye.